How to create a DOTA 2 account. Open preferred browser. Then on the web address bar, type in www.dota2.com and press enter on the keyboard. Then you'll be taken to this official site of DOTA 2 account where you can also sign up to your account through login to your Steam account. So here is the login button. You can click on the login button at the top right corner of the screen. And here you can easily sign in with your account name, enter the password, or you can also sign in with the QR code. Then after that, you'll be able to sign up for DOTA 2. All you need is a Steam account where you need to first of all create account on Steam and easily log in into your Steam account, and that's how we easily create a DOTA 2 account. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.